Hello, this is Stefan from Extreme Group here at our booth at IBC2024. This very moment together with Aurelien from Aski-da Taldea. Aurelien, can you please introduce us into Aski-da? Because you are a new partner here at our booth, so it's definitely necessary to tell the people who you are.
Yes, first of all, thank you for having us at the booth this year. Aski-da Taldea is a French-based group of companies providing various professional services and now managed services as well to broadcasters.
And what are these services that you offer?
So we have special expertise in everything related to graphics workflows, so real-time graphics, virtual production from the design to the implementation and the operations of the workflow. And beside that, we have also professional services for project and engineering support, and also a training facility that is doing training and change management for broadcast professionals and broadcasters.
Here at the show, I think you have taken one part of your really large portfolio. You are mainly focusing on graphics, right?
Yeah, graphics and AI. So how to bring them together. And what we want to do is to address specific use cases, like tangible, practical use cases that can really be solved with AI today, and involving graphics for example, automated program generation, like this weather forecast here, where we combine our graphics expertise and our AI expertise to automatically generate a full weather forecast for a broadcaster.
So that means in this particular case, the service ends in a product, and the product is the weather forecast that you offer, for instance, to a broadcaster.
Yes, exactly. We can manage, host, operate the platform completely, so the broadcaster doesn't even need to know what happens behind the doors. But of course, this solution can also be deployed on-prem for a customer using on-prem AI as well, on-prem graphics engine. Everything is possible, but yes, the outcome is this kind of program.
But what does that mean? Are you now a content company or a technology company, or both?
Yeah, we are still a services business, so we can call that a product, but we call that more a managed service that we can offer to the customer. I would say we have the workflow expertise, we have the product passion. So we bring the right products, the right solutions together in a tangible use case to serve the customer workflow.
So this is why you said it can live in the cloud, in a data center, on premise, but the result is something, as you say, tangible product that is really of use for a particular production need.
Yeah, exactly.
So now you spoke to quite a lot of customers here at the show, I know. What was their feedback?
The feedback is really interesting. Actually, it's beyond my expectations. We see a lot of interest in watching the result of what the AI makes possible. So we have really positive feedback, and also a lot of ideas coming from the customer, because we are showing one use case with weather, but of course this is applicable to many different use cases. And we have a lot of ideas and insights coming from the customers, so that's very exciting for what's coming next.
So, and what you do, is this kind of totally unique, customers have never heard before, or would you say this is a kind of an industry trend, and yes, you are exactly filling in this industry trend and this need?
I think we are at the right time, at the right place, so slightly ahead of our customers, no offense, but they don't necessarily have the resources to experiment everything that is possible with AI. So they need companies, the experts, to help them to address some use cases that can become real life projects and live projects, because they cannot afford to lose time experimenting things that maybe are not even achievable with the level of technology that exists today, or with the constraints that we have today. So we do this kind of painful work for them, and so that's, I think, why they are excited about what we are doing.
You said you have introduced all that to the industry, so as a new player on the market, then what is the next step for you and your customers? How do you want to engage with them?
So the next step is to identify the real projects that we can work on together. And the good thing about this show is that we have identified some real case projects where we will be working together. So that's really exciting. And yes, basically get the first projects live, continue to follow how the technology is going, because that's going really fast, that's changing really fast. So we need to adapt to that as well. And yes, then we have to brainstorm around all the new ideas that we got here.
Aurelien, have many thanks for all these insights. If you are interested in, and this makes sense to you, you have a production need like this, please make contact with us. The easiest way, x-3-group.com. As always, you will find the contact button and we'll set you all into contact. And then let's see what we can achieve for you. Thank you so much for watching.